Yaqub from China says, what's the ruling on saying Merry Christmas to the Christians or Happy New Year? The answer is, it's totally prohibited to congratulate non-Muslims over their festivals. Totally prohibited. And this is what all scholars of Islam have been saying, till recently, of course, when such so-called scholars of Islam were appointed by political powers to say whatever they want. So such so-called scholars are negligible. They are overlooked. They're not considered to be scholars. You go to the real scholars of Islam, Sheikh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah, Sheikh al-Islam ibn al-Qayyim, the real scholars like Ibn Baz, Ibn Uthaymeen, Al-Albani, Al-Fawzan, etc. These scholars who speak out of knowledge and without any interference in their fatwas, that you should listen to. And they will tell you that this is totally haram because it is endorsing their false beliefs of Jesus being the Son of God. Ta'ala Allahu amma yaqulu adh-dhalimuna 'uluwan 'aziman, which is, of course, nonsense. What's the ruling on eating from their food they prepare for such events? As long as you're not celebrating with them, nor participating in their gatherings, if they were to send you food while you were at home and the food is halal, there's no problem in accepting it and eating it, but without congratulating them.